Hello students, see this question, question number 10 from part A of JEST 2020. And in this question, they asking whether that transistor is in saturation or in active region, okay? And they're also asking to calculate the value of IC, okay? So in order to solve this question, they have given the beta value 50 and they say assume that for saturation VCE, okay, so VCE value for saturation is 0.2 volt, okay. So if our VCE value is greater than 0.2 volts for NPN transistor, okay, then obviously it will not be in saturation, it will be in active region. So we have to find out VCE, okay, the exact value of VCE. So in order to find VCE, we need to calculate IC, okay, and IC can be calculated using calculating IB because beta is in the question is given. So let us first find out the IB from the input loop. So we can find IB. So if I write the KVL in this first loop, I can write minus 2 volt, okay, plus IBRB, or you can write this is a minus VBB, IBRB, and then this voltage is VBE for NP, okay. So VBE, and this is equals to 0. So my IB will be VBB minus VBE upon RB, okay, and the value of VBB is given 2 volt. VB is, we take generally 0.7 volt. RB value is given as 10 kilo ohm. So this will give me 1.3 upon 10 kilo ohm. Okay, that is 0.13 milliampere. Okay, so we have the IB value. Let us find out IC value. So IC value will be beta IB. Okay, beta IB. So beta I is given 50 and IB is 0.13 milliampere. So this gives me how much? If I write this one, so this gives me 6.5 milliampere. Okay, so IC value is 6.5 milliampere. And as we can calculate IC saturation, okay, IC saturation is the point where VC is 0. If it is 0, then all the IC will flow from here. That will be equal to VCC 10 upon 1 kilo ohm. That is 10 milliampere. Okay, and IC is well below your IC saturation. So obviously, okay, we can here itself we can tell that this circuit is not in saturation because IC saturation is greater than IC value, actual IC value. So now we can also find VCE. Okay, so VCE, so VC is nothing, your minus VCC. If I take output loop, I can write VCC plus ICRC plus VCE equals to 0. And this gives me VC equals to minus VCC, that is 10 volt, minus IC, already we calculated 6.5 milliampere, and the RC value is given 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. Okay. So this gives me how much? VC equals to 3.5 volt. Okay. Now we have VC value, this is positive and well above or greater than 0.2 volt. So obviously we can say that IC value is 6.5 milliampere and the circuit is not saturation. Okay, so the option A is given 6.5 milliampere and circuit is not in saturation. So this is the correct option for this question. Okay, and if you want, you can further calculate VCP value. Okay, because so actually here already they have given VC is 0.2 is for your saturation. Okay, so it is well above VCE. If you want, you can find VCP value also. VCP should be positive for NPN transistor. Okay, so if you see, this is already forward bias, this should be reverse bias. Okay, collector base should be reverse bias. So if I find VCB, okay, so VCB is nothing, VC minus this one. Okay, so VCB will be VC minus VB And VC we already calculated 3.5 volt, VB 0.7, this also 2.8 volt. Okay, so it's positive, so VCB positive, and this junction is forward bias VB. Okay, so this is already in active region. Okay, so the option A is the correct answer for this solution. Okay, hope you like the solution. Thank you very much.